Hi everyone, welcome to Microbiology. Let's talk about whether it's better to brush your teeth before or after breakfast. Before we go deep in, let me quickly give a disclaimer. The Microbiology videos are strictly for educational purposes of giving great content on microbial activities that have effects to the public. Most of us are aware that we're supposed to brush our teeth at least twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. But the big question is, the morning session, should it be before or after breakfast? I get how convenient it is to you to brush after breakfast so you can head out the door for the day with fresh, clean breath. I have always heard some professionals telling you to brush after meal, right? However, microbiologically, it's really more helpful to your dental health if you brush right when you wake up and before you eat breakfast. And the reason is, you won't want your breakfast to mix with the oral bacteria that built up while you were asleep. Chances are you have a layer of plaque on your teeth when you wake up, even if you brush before bed. It just happens, especially if you're a mouth breather, that plaques builds up when you are asleep. You can have the most perfect nighttime brushing and flossing routine and still wake up with a plaque on your teeth. And so, the problem is that when this plaque bacteria that is inevitably on your teeth from sleeping mixes with the breakfast food particles or acidic coffee beverages, this actually gives the plaque nutrition to feed off. This causes the plaque to secrete acids and additional byproducts, which are super unhealthy for your tooth enamel, making you more prone to cavities and tooth decay. And that build-up that happens on your lower front teeth. Technically, eating breakfast before you brush your teeth in the morning is less healthy than brushing first right when you wake up before eating breakfast. I realize this can be confusing depending on who you ask. Some professionals may say one thing or the other. It can be a toss-up, and it's because, like I said, dental people are intensely trained on educating patients to brush after every meal. But in this case, in the morning, it's also recommended to brush right when you wake up. If you must brush after breakfast, technically, you should be waiting at least 30 to 60 minutes before brushing. Reason being that some types of food, beverages can be harsher on your tooth enamel than others. And if you brush too soon after eating, you can scrub all those important acids and useful bacteria around, hence causing even more damage to your mouth. For instance, most breakfast foods are highly acidic, such as orange juice, coffee, toast eggs, and any type of pastry. So scrubbing your mouth with a toothbrush right after you eat these foods or drink these beverages can rub off all acids across your teeth. So it is always encouraged to give it between 30 to 60 minutes after eating before brushing, to allow the pH in your mouth to neutralize. So if you can be the perfect patient, you brush your teeth right when you wake up, you go eat breakfast, then wait for 30-60 minutes after the acids in your mouth have neutralized. If you brush before eating, it is not advisable you brush after eating again. It is recommended to simply swish and rinse out your mouth really well with water, or use your water flosser if you have time, or even a mouthwash after eating. Just remember, none of this squeezing and water wash replaces toothbrushing. Most importantly, when you do brush, wait to make sure you are using the proper brushing techniques. So I will link my video to how to properly brush with a regular toothbrush and how to properly brush using an electric toothbrush in our next content. I hope the video helped you. Please always remember to stay healthy. Health is wealth. Health is life. Please subscribe to our channel for more of these educative contents. Thank you and stay safe.